As protective masks have become ever critical to our health and safety, the SleekWrapper can greatly increase packaging efficiencies for both single and multiple unit formats at high speeds. The Sleek i65 is ideal as it uses a flat conveyor to receive and transfer masks, which eliminates the risk of elastic bands getting caught in the gears of conventional flow wrapping machines that use pushers. Simply load the flat conveyor belt with fabric masks or plastic shields, and the Sleek will automatically convey, wrap, and seal at rates of 1,200 to 2,400 per hour.